Control, perimeter clear. Sector 4 mobilization complete. Roger that. Dispatching Transport Alpha to Bay 2. Pulp consistency is holding steady at 99.8%.
Good, we can proceed to the drying stage.
The precision cleaning stages are highly effective. Look at the real-time purity metrics. Flawless separation. We are ready for the next phase. The precision cleaning stages are highly effective. Look at the real-time purity metrics. Flawless separation. We are ready for the next phase.
The flow rate on loop 3 is spiking. I am initiating a level 2 stabilization sequence.
Placement looks good. Run the next verification sequence.
Confirmed. System is green across the board.
Check the alignment on the security strip.
Right. We need to confirm the ink opacity here.
Adjusting the portrait scale slightly.
The intaglio depth on the Borden portrait requires a slight adjustment to optimize the light reflection in the innovation window.
Does this meet the specification for the anti-counterfeit elements? Let me check the manufacturing compatibility report. Yes, it passes the verification.
All systems green for the polymer run.
Ensure the holographic strips align with a tolerance of less than 2 microns. System is compensating, registration is accurate. Positioning confirmed. Slight adjustment required on the hairline. Accuracy verified. Proceed with mounting. Engaging the press bed.
Zoom in on the micro printing. Right. Okay. Check the alignment against the reference. Okay. Looks like a perfect match.
We have an inconsistency here on sheet 45B. The automated system flagged the fluorescence pattern.
Yeah.
Let's isolate that batch for manual review.
Look at this fluctuation in the security strip measurements. It's within the acceptable tolerance range, but let's keep monitoring it.
The system indicates a 99.8% pass rate on the UV inspection. Good. Proceed to serialization.
Check the laser scanning anomalies, please.
This heat map confirms the misalignment on sheet 7. Yeah.
Yes, the physical sample shows the same registration error. Let's log it. The laser alignment is locked.
Proceed with the cut.
Confirmation. Initializing slice. Perfect registration. Ready for sorting.
The batch is at optimal verified dimensions.
Excellent. Proceeding to sorting operations.
Transfer sequence complete. Bay 3 secure.
Bay 3, confirm restraints are engaged. Restraints confirmed. Door sequence initiated. Control to all units, maintaining course on the 100.
Lead vehicle confirms. Smooth sailing.